Hello and welcome to Online Khan Market. Friends, we all know that in UPSC journey, one key aspect or the key player for all of us is the mentors and the teachers who guide us throughout the journey, and we cannot forget the contributions of theirs in our journey. So friends, if you are searching that where you can find the best faculty, the best guidance and the best mentor for the animal husbandry IAS optional coaching, which also include veterinary sciences, then please watch this clip till the end, as I will be discussing with you the top 2 institutions where you can get the best faculty and the mentors to guide you throughout the journey of the UPSC, especially when it comes to animal husbandry and veterinary sciences. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have the Plutus IAS coaching. Friends, Plutus IAS coaching gave the maximum selection in the preliminary examination of UPSC in this year, and also a lot of their examinations questions were also directed by the teachers of the Plutus IAS coaching as reviewed by the lot of the students of Plutus Academy and Plutus IAS coaching. So friends, if you are searching for the best faculty, Plutus IAS is that destination that you would not want to miss, as the faculties and teachers are great here. They are available 24/7. You can call them, text them at any time, and they will definitely respond you in a manner that you understand the concept or anything you want to clear with them. Therefore, you should definitely go ahead and try Plutus IAS coaching when it comes to animal husbandry and veterinary sciences optional IAS coaching. Before moving on, let's discuss some more features of Plutus IAS coaching and what exactly they do. Alright. Plutus IAS coaching classes is the destination for the student preparing for UPSC and especially this optional subject. It ensures optimum utilization of resources and energy of students in the direction of success. It has been evident from the 20+ years of experience in teaching that they provide learning strategies to the student by the teaching techniques in order to ensure the best outcome for the students. Moreover, they have been providing education through online as well as offline mode to build a reputation in the field of coachings of the country. Alright, now let's move to the learning environment of this institution. The coaching institute has designed a unique teaching facility to the students in order to enhance their productivity and allow an increment in their existing knowledge and capabilities. Meaning, it provides an overall teaching session related to all relevant topics of the subject. Further, it has an efficient learning environment to induce them towards studies and helps to reduce the confusion among them related to the preparation for examination. They also have various features like online classes, offline classroom facility which has just begun, interactive sessions, doubt clearing sessions, and current affairs classes as well apart from your core classes. Okay, so friends, the next institution for the best faculty where you can get for this subject is the Yojana IAS coaching institution. Friends, before telling me what the faculty is all about, let's discuss the contact details. So the email ID includes info@yojanaias.com and their contact number is 8595390705. Alright, so friends, Yojana IAS is an institute that was established with an aim of helping students for the competitive exam and not their own profit, and therefore the faculty here is extremely selfless and devote their entirety to the students and making them learn each and every concept so that students are very clear with what they are actually learning. This institute was established with an honest vision, and the main motive is to provide students aspiring for UPSC with the best of the resources and education, and therefore they also have the top-notch faculty. In this coaching institution, you get the coaching in both English and Hindi medium. There are many coaching in the entire country and most of them call themselves the best. However, Plutus IAS and Yojana IAS are always the top 2 coaching institution when it comes to IAS and UPSC optional subjects preparation. Friends, their courses includes a lot of things like daily current affairs, counseling sessions, study material which are prepared by these faculty members by great details and study. So friends, Yojana IAS is definitely the right choice. So friends, these were our top 2 institutions, the Plutus IAS coaching and the Yojana IAS coaching when it comes to anthropology and veterinary sciences optional IAS coaching. As discussed earlier as well, the role of a faculty is undeniable when it comes to UPSC journey, and hence these are the 2 destinations no student would want to miss. So friends, go ahead and definitely do check these institutions out. You can simply type the names of these institutions on Google and also check the credibility of the professors and the teachers which are in this institution for your reference. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding both these institutions. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.